welcome back to my art channel Jashan Art. I am Jashan and I am here with another art challenge, which is to paint with pink shades only. So I am going to paint with all the shades of pink only today, and I am going to paint 3 paintings. So let's start with this video. I am starting with the scenery, so I am going to fix my sheet on the table with masking tape, and after fixing the sheet, I am taking colors on my palette. I am going to use pink, black and white only. Even I want my painting in pink shades only, but black and white are needed to add more depth in my painting because these are needed to make shades and tints of pink. So I need to take these 2 colors on my palette. I have to mix crimson with white to make light pink and crimson, yellow and magenta for pink, which is somewhat in between bring pink and rose pink, more close to the rose pink. As I'm done with my palette, so let's start our painting. I am starting with the darkest shade on my palette, which is black. I am just painting a blueprint of a waterfall with a lot of big stones, and guys, how funny is this? My whole paper is now grey when I am attempting a pink painting. It's too odd. But let me tell you guys, my idea is to paint pink moss on all these stones which are looking grey right now, but I bet you these will look pink after the completion. So you just need to wait for the end, guys. Now I am taking rose pink to paint a layer on stones. I am also using white and black on some places where it is needed. And guys, now after painting the stones with pink, I am painting water which is falling on these stones from the top, and I am using white paint for this. As I'm done with the water, so now the thing which is main thing to paint is pink moss. So let's start painting pink moss on all the stones. For this I am using touches of all the shades of pink with a lot of white paint in it, and I am using a light pink shade most times and magenta most of the times. As I'm painting the moss, I feel like this moss is really adding very good texture to my painting. And the process of painting this moss is really satisfying, guys. I am loving this process, and even I am attempting this kind of stuff for the first time, but it feels like I am doing this from years. It is so close to me, and it is like food of my soul. I love doing this. Along with painting the pink moss on all the stones, I am also adding second layer of white paint on the water which is falling from the stones, because I am giving final look to my painting along with the painting of moss. I want this painting to be realistic because I am loving the techniques and the colors and the vibe of this painting. Even I'm not a big fan of pink, but I must say I am in love with this painting not because I am painting this and I am the artist, I am the creator of this painting. This is because it is representing nature and love. It is making my eyes feel like some kind of warmth of love. So I am really in love with this painting and this process. Now after painting the mosses, I am adding details to the water. Now after signing my painting, I am removing the tapes. And then in the margin, I am applying white paint to cover all the minor color spreads from here. And with this, it's now ready. I am really in love with this painting. What about you? Do you love this painting? Type in comments, type fast to tell me your views about this painting. I am waiting for your comments. So guys, as you can see, our first painting is really looking amazing. So let's move forward towards our second painting, and I am really hoping the best result in second one also. For this second painting, I am not fixing the sheet because I am going to use technique of sprinkling the paint. So I need to clean the table for so many times because I don't want to ruin my table. So today I am not going to fix this sheet, and I am starting with the sketch, and I think I am cheating in this painting because I am painting the body of lady in grey shades, which are not pink obviously. So I guess I am cheating, and I am hoping that you guys are going to ignore this for me, because I know you love me. So please ignore this thing and suppose that this painting is all pink. After painting her body in grey shade, her face, her arms and feet, I am going to dump too much paint on the sheet, which is all kinds of pink. So after dumping this paint, I am starting with my sprinkling. I am sprinkling all the pinks and whites and black on her dress because I want this painting to blast. I want explosion here, and I want chaos and some kind of creative weirdness in this painting. But this painting must look beautiful, which is the ultimate thing. So I am trying too many things in this painting. Now after sprinkling, I am going to do scribbling using pencil and brushes on this painting. I don't know what I am doing. I am just experimenting, and I am trying to add more charm and life in this painting. So I am doing scribbling here, and at last I am going to paint few stars falling out of a dress. So it's just a random idea, guys, to paint the stars, and because I am just experimenting today with this piece. So I think I need to add more and more details in this, which are crazy and which are some kind of weird. So I just want this painting to look beautiful but weird, but creative at the same time. So after doing too many crazy things, this painting is now ready. So it's really amazing painting, and it is too easy painting, guys. It's beautiful, and anyone can create this painting with very few skills. So any beginner can try this painting. It's too easy. So guys, as our first two paintings turned out really amazing, and I am having huge expectations from the third one, so let's start painting it. This time I am not going to draw any sketch. I am directly going to start painting a butterfly, starting with the darkest shade on my palette, which is black obviously. So I am starting with this, and I am trying to draw a blueprint of butterfly, which is not looking like a butterfly. It's looking like a dragonfly without tail. But I think I have to apply too many shades here, a lot of shades of pink. So I am going to apply all the pinks on her wings. A lot of pink, guys. After applying too many pink shades on her wings, so now my butterfly is looking kind of beautiful, but I need to do more experiments on this. So I'm going to apply lots of light shades on her wings, and then I'm going to sprinkle paint on her wings. After sprinkling all the light shades, the white and the light pinks, it's looking too pretty, guys. I want this butterfly to come in life and be my friend. Now let's sign this. This is the best part, I must say. So now, as I'm done with this painting, so let me show you all the artworks that we have painted today. These were too easy, but too beautiful, and lots of experimental things. So tell me in comments which artwork you love the most, and which is most easy artwork out of these three. So don't forget to tell me in comments your views. So guys, I hope you like this video. If you do, then press the like button, and do let me know in comments which art piece you love the most. And guys, I have recently started new art show, which is Heart to Art with Jashan. You can check out that. In that show, I am sharing my full art journey, and also I am sharing some of my private artworks, and I am sure you are going to love that show also. So please check out that show also. And if you are not my subscriber, then press the subscribe button and also press the bell icon to get notifications for all my new videos first. I'll meet in my next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, you are amazing.